Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Audi TTS Tronic Quattro. Now this vehicle is currently on 67,206 miles and it's finished in the colour Mythos Black. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now let's take a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front. You do have your all-weather LED headlights. These light up the road extremely well, giving you great visibility at night. They ensure you can see as well as be seen. You have your TTS badging on the front grille there. And now here around to the side, the vehicle sits very nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror, which is finished in a very nice metal finish. You also have rear privacy glass, giving you nice privacy to the rear, and it gives the vehicle a nice flush finish. You have two rear seats and they both have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Now let's head to the rear of the vehicle. You have your TTS badge in there. You have your quad exhaust, two on either side. You have your TTS badging on the tailgate along with your pop-up spoiler, which will pop up at higher speeds to give you more downforce. You have your boots here. You have a nice amount of space. You can easily fit a few weekend bags in there if you're planning on heading away for the weekend. And there are tethering points, so you can tighten any loads down if you need to, if you don't want them to move around freely in the boot. And now that we've had a look around here to the rear, let's take a look inside to the front. You have your leather multifunction flat bottom steering wheel there. You have the incredible red leather interior that continues onto the centre console and the doors as well. You have nice diamond quilting. You do have electric adjustment, making it very easy to find the perfect driving position so you can be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. It really does add a nice pop of colour, the interior to the black exterior. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Audi TTS has to offer. Hopping in, starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in. It's very handy when parking on narrow roads, for example, as you can protect them from being knocked off by other road users. They can fold in nice and tightly into the vehicle. You do have automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have some controls here for making adjustments to your volume on the infotainment system. Here you have your digital cockpit, which houses everything, including your infotainment screen. You can access your different menus here. You can change the view of the dials, for example. You have one nice large display in the centre. You can display different information at the side of the dials as well. You also have at the end of your indicator stock your lane keeping assist, which will hold the vehicle into the lane and can detect when you're starting to drift out and alert you so you can correct this. You have your controls here for the infotainment system in the centre console. You can scroll through your menu here. You have your radio. You do have DAB, FM and AM radio. You can easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle. With DAB, you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. You also have your media. You can connect your own source of audio. You have USB input, and there is also auxiliary input as well. You can also connect your device with Bluetooth. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls you may have. It's very easy to pair your device up. You can connect multiple if you have friends who may want to connect up as well. Here you have your navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost. You can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. You can have the map displayed nice and largely here across your cockpit, making it very easy to follow guidance, and you can see more of the roads ahead. You can change the view using the scroller in the centre console to zoom in and out. It has this extremely pleasant 3D effect to it, making it extremely enjoyable to follow the guidance. Now moving on, you have your Audi Connect, which can connect using your device, where you can access your services through this. You also have some settings here you can access for the infotainment system. You also have your dynamic select. You have your vehicle settings here you can access, with your Audi drive selects being one of them. Simply push down to select your different modes. You have your individual. You also have dynamic, auto, comfort and efficiency, which change how the vehicle perform and handle depending on your driving mood, so you can enhance your driving experience. With your individual, you can set up your own preferences to this. such as with the engine and gearbox, your suspension and steering, and also, as well as the engine sound and the Quattro system. So the vehicle will drive specifically how you want it to. You have your driver assist features here with your Audi active lane assist, which will vibrate the steering wheel when you're drifting out of your lane, so you can be wary to correct this. You can also access some additional settings such as vehicle settings and the air conditioning, for example. It's all a very straightforward system to use, and it gives the dashboard a nice flush finish, all being built into one. It's very driver focused. You also have your parking sensors, which are displayed to the left. This will give you added confidence when parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings to the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see. It gives you more judgment on how close you are to any objects. Now here in the centre, you have your air conditioning, with each control in the centre of the air vents. You can make adjustments to the fan speed at the left, your temperature in the middle, your direction of airflow at the right. You can change the direction of airflow with the fans by spinning them around as well. You have buttons for defrosting the front and rear windscreen as well. You have switches underneath for opening and closing the air vents as well. On either side of the air vent next to the door, you have your button for your heated seats, so you can keep nice and warm and forget all about the cold outside. Makes driving extremely pleasant as it keeps you nice and cozy. You have your button here for your retractable spoiler, which will automatically open up anyway at speeds higher than 75 to give you more downforce and make handling improved. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi TTS S-Tronic Quattro. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.